We'll start with 2 large eggs. Use a smaller sized egg skillet. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Turn off your burner. Let that butter melt. Crack your 2 eggs now. Scramble your eggs now. Turn on burner. Add your eggs now. Oh yeah, now we're going to pour this in here. And we're going to wait till our edges cook a little bit. And we're going to pull them to the center. I'm going to grab my spatula here. I'm going to gently just edge them to the center. Just edge my cooked parts to the center. And let that uncooked part go to the edges and cook. But you always want to pull to the center, pull to the center. Don't be scared. Be gentle. Looks like I turned the fire up a little bit. Yeah. Because I want these eggs to cook. Go ahead and cook. I got all this butter in here, and they're going to be really buttery. They're going to be delicious. So keep that fire up and keep those eggs moving at this point. Just keep them moving. Keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving. And it's on higher, so just keep them out of that fire, that burner. Keep it moving, keep it moving. All right, looks like these are almost ready. Everybody has their taste on how they want their eggs done, but mine are softly scrambled. Just remove it from the skillet, put it in a bowl real quick. That way it won't overcook, and you got the perfect buttered eggs. Enjoy. Deebo.